Alright, this is the camera dude. My name is JR. That's Danny. DH, JR, whatever. You can subscribe. We're just out here in our crawdad hole. Yeah, probably saw. Yeah, there's my shadow and his shadow. Yeah, he's about to fall in. Are you sure you're like almost tripping? Do you think you should have that mic open?
True. Sure that.
He's an idiot. So we're crawfishing out here. I think I told you that. I'm not sure. Short memory. Yeah, so we've had a couple nibbles. Danny saw something come out of his hole.
Yeah, then JR the other way.
Sorry about that. Yeah, so we're gonna be looking and I'll bring you back here afterwards. Wait, how do you pause?
I don't know if I can pause it. That's the thing that I hate about it.
So how do you pause?
Just press again.